In this video, I will show you how to log in to Lloyds internet banking. To do this, just go to lloydsbank.com, and from there what you want to do is in the top right click on log on. Now from here, first select whether you want to log in to your personal or business account. So let's say you want to log on to your personal account, just gonna click personal. And then from there, they will ask for two things, your user ID and your password. Now, if you don't know one of these, then what you can do is click forgot on your logon details and then select which one you forgot. So you can change your password, change your memorable information, change both, or find out your user ID, for example. Then you can click continue. They will just need to enter some details to verify it is actually you, and then they will give you your user ID. So if you do know it, just go and enter it right here. You can also choose to remember your user ID for the next time you log on. And from there, click continue. And then they may send a verification code to your email, to the mobile app, or your phone number. Just go and enter that. So now you know how to log in to Lloyds internet banking. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.